Which of the following is commonly used as evidence for being alive? Correct answer. Movement. Why is visible movement alone not a reliable criterion to define life? Because some living organisms show no visible movement but are still alive, like plants. Which of the following do professional biologists agree is necessary for life? Correct answer. Molecular movement. Why must living organisms constantly maintain and repair their structures? Because organs in living structures tends to break down over time. What will happen if a living organism fails to maintain molecular order? Correct answer. It will no longer be alive. What are the processes called that maintain the functions of the body even when we are asleep? Correct answer. Life processes. What are life processes? Life processes are essential activities or functions carried out by living organisms to maintain life. What is the name of the process through which energy is transferred from food to the inside of the body? Correct answer. Nutrition. Life on Earth depends on molecules that are mostly based on. Correct answer. Carbon. What is the name of the process in which organisms use oxygen to break down food for energy? Correct answer. Respiration. In a single celled organism, exchange of gases and removal of waste occur through. Correct answer. Surface of the organism. Why is simple diffusion not enough for multicellular organisms? Because in multicellular organisms, not all the cells are in direct contact with the environment. What is the process of removing harmful byproducts from the body called? Correct answer. Excretion. What is the source of energy and materials for our body? Correct answer. Food. Which organisms use simple inorganic substances as food? Correct answer. Autotrophs. What is the process by which autotrophs make their food? Correct answer. Photosynthesis. Which pigment is essential for photosynthesis? Correct answer. Chlorophyll. Which of the following is an autotroph? Correct answer. Green plant. Heterotrophs depend on which type of organisms for food? Correct answer. Autotrophs. What are enzymes referred to as in this chapter? Correct answer. Biocatalyst. In autotrophic nutrition, which substances are converted into carbohydrates? Correct answer. Carbon dioxide and water. In plants, the stored form of unused carbohydrates is called. Correct answer. Starch. What acts as an internal energy reserve in plants? Correct answer. Starch. What is the internal energy reserve in humans? Correct answer. Glycogen. What is the role of enzymes in digestion? Correct answer. Breakdown of food.